Baik, kali ini kita undang seluruh orang artis ya, dari Metapora, dari teman-teman persatuan artis Sulawesi Selatan. Ini kita undang untuk bersama kita hari ini atas keputusan dari keluarga. Ibu desa. Bude lagi fotonya. Sebuah lagu yang sangat viral saat ini ya Bang ya. Yang berjudulnya Sidrap. Artinya tidak ngeri. Artinya apa ya? Kapok. Selain kapok apa lagi? Goodbye sama bugis juga. Itu kalau apa namanya? Kalau Indonesia kapok, selain kapok apa? Siapa suruh datang Pak? Siapa suruh kok?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Untuk lagu Kayak di Janjimu, insya Allah akan rilis di Nunu Channel, yang akan dinyanyikan oleh Tante Lia. Ini lagu Selfie ciptakan bareng-bareng beliau. Mudah-mudahan bisa dinyanyikan dengan baik nantinya. Banyak yang suka. Dan jangan lupa untuk semua subscribe dulu channel YouTube Nunu. Dan untuk semuanya jangan lupa dengarkan nantinya. Like, comment, dan subscribe.